Welcome to Hogar's world of smart IoT solutions for smart homes. Thank you for trusting us with your space and choosing Hogar's Cerebro Pro. It's the brain of your smart home, and it gives you control and convenience at just a touch of a button. Cerebro Pro is a plug-and-play device and lets you configure, control, and automate your lights, appliances, and curtains by touch, smartphone, tablet, or even your voice command. The list of possibilities you can automate are only bound by your imagination. You are just 5 quick steps away from upgrading to Hogar's smart home of comfort and convenience. Let's begin. Step 1. First, let's do some quick pre-installation mandatory checks. Ensure the load and power requirements of your plug matches the technical specifications mentioned in the Cerebro Pro manual. Next, plug in the Cerebro Pro into the power socket and wait until the power LED light is solid green and the remaining LEDs are blinking. Step 2. Install Hogar Pro app from the App Store. Log in with an existing account or create a new account with your email or phone number. You'll receive a verification code through whichever option you choose. Step 3. Click Add Home and set up your home's name, domain name, and address using Map on your app. Step 4. Tap Home and confirm to add Cerebro Pro. Your Cerebro Pro is not connected with internet will pop up. Click Next to continue. It will then redirect to the Wi-Fi settings page. Connect to the Cerebro Pro hotspot. Go back to the app and click Yes, I'm connected. Step 5. Log in to your Wi-Fi connection. You can select DHCP or static IP configuration. If static config, please input your IP address and gateway. Leave the DNS to default, tap on Continue. Once it has been successfully configured, click on Continue. Wait until Cerebro Pro reboots. For a LAN configuration, connect the LAN cable, choose the LAN option, and follow the same procedure. That's it. It was actually that easy. You have successfully configured the Cerebro Pro. Now you are one step closer to building your Hogar smart home. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the convenience of controlling your home either through your Hogar Pro app or through your voice commands via Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Also, to set automation schedules for a specific time and automatic triggers to other interlinked smart devices. Add more to your home from Hogar's range of smart home solutions and live a smart life of infinite possibilities. Visit our website at www.hogarcontrols.com to build yourself a custom smart home solution.